everyone! And hello, summer! During the summer, it can get really hot outside. What's a way that we can cool off in the heat? We can make folding fans. The folding fan was created in Japan. Folding fans evolved into works of art as people began to paint and decorate them. The traditional folding fan uses many materials like bamboo strips and handmade paper. For our folding fan, we're just going to need a single sheet of paper, markers, crayons, or colored pencils to decorate it. Some folding fans have pictures of people and landscapes, flowers, and patterns. Let's use a pattern to decorate our folding fan. What's the pattern I'm making? Stripes. Stripes are long, narrow bands that follow a pattern of colors. My stripes are alternating between maroon, purple, and green. A pattern is a repetition of a design. For this next fan, I'm going to draw the same clouds over and over. Finally, I'm going to draw a bunch of circles and dots. Do you know what pattern you want to draw? After we've decorated our paper, the next step is to fold the paper. First, we'll fold the paper in half. Bring the shorter sides together and match the corners. Make a nice sharp crease by pressing your finger along the fold. Open your paper back up. Fold one side toward the center crease. Then fold the other side to the center crease. When you open your paper back up, you should now have 4 sections on your paper. Take one side of your paper and fold it over so that it meets the crease farthest from it. We'll do the same fold on the other side. Then we'll make 2 small folds on both sides. Fold one side over the crease closest to it. Do the same for the other side. Now we're going to follow the creases we've made to make our accordion fold. An accordion fold is when we fold our paper back and forth. Follow the creases and flip your paper over when making each fold. Do you see how it looks like an accordion instrument? Now close your paper and fold one side in half. Press down on the fold. You're going to glue these two sides together. Just put a few drops of glue on one side, then press the paper together. Let the glue dry for a few minutes. Awesome! Now you have your own folding fan. Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.